Hi everyone, we're going to have a go at another body percussion piece, and again we're going to use it to help us learn our written notation. This time there's going to be two parts. Now if you're in a classroom with other people, some of you could do one part while the other people do the other part. If you're on your own or if you're at home and you haven't got anybody to work with, what you could do is video or do an audio recording of yourself doing one of the parts and then play that back, and as you play it back, perform the other parts with it at the same time. So the first part, if you have a look at this, we've got rest, then we've got four notes together. Now we haven't looked at these yet. These are tika tika and they're twice as fast as tay tay. So what I mean is this: if I play tars first, then tay tays, and then tika tika, you'll see the difference in speed between them. I'm going to do 4 beats of each. Okay, so this is tar, 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 tay tay, tay tay, tay tay, tay tay, tika tika, tika tika, tika tika, tika tika. So tay tays are twice as fast as tars, tika tikas twice as fast as tay tays. Okay, so this rhythm goes rest, tika tika, rest, tay tay. That's what you can see in front of you right now. Let's just say that. Ready, steady, here we go, rest, tika tika, rest, tay tay. Now for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually step the beat. So with my feet, I'm going to do one step after another, 4 steps like this. Rest, tika tika, rest, tay tay. Now I don't know if you can hear that on the video or not, but I'm stepping 1 foot at a time, one on each beat. Okay. Now as I perform the rhythm with my hands, I'm going to do a bit of a mixture of clapping and sliding with my hands. So it's going to go like this: rest, 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 rest. Doesn't really matter whether you do all claps or all slides or a bit of a mixture. That's up to you. Okay. And at the same time I'm going to step. So the first step, my hands rest. Second step, my hands go tika tika, or sliding if I want to do that. Third step, my hands rest. Fourth step, my hands play tay tay. Okay, I'm going to try that. If you want to join in with me, you can. Ready, steady, here we go. Rest, tika tika, rest, tay tay, rest, tika tika, rest, tay tay, rest, tika tika, rest, tay tay, rest, tika tika, rest, tay tay. For the tika tikas, I'm doing kind of a clap and then slides after that. But again, you can do that how you want to do that. So that's the first part. Okay, that's the first part. If you're on your own, once you've got used to that, I would record that part. Now the second part, if you have a look at this, what we're doing is we're starting with this rhythm, which is tay tay, tay tay, tay tay, ta. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use 2 different sounds, and so we're going to just change the graphic if you watch, and you'll notice that the first and the last notes have gone lower and the other notes in between have gone higher. So the first and the last notes, I'm going to do this sound, chest slap, and for the in-between sounds, the ones that are higher on the screen, I'm going to do clicks. So I'm going to go like this: tay 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 ta. Okay, let's try that together. Ready, steady, here we go. Tay 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 ta. Now again, if you can't do clicks and you would rather clap in between for those, that's fine. But I'm going to do clicks. Now again, we're going to use what we used last time. So we're going to use a tie. So if you watch, we've got 2 notes tied now, and remember the second one of the tied notes becomes part of the first one. It becomes part of the first one. It's not an extra note separate on its own anymore. So if you watch the one and try and play that, it goes like this: ready, steady, here we go, tay tay, tay tay, tay ta. So that tie changes the rhythm from tay tay, tay tay, tay tay ta to tay tay, a tay 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 ta. Okay. Now we're going to add a second tie. So if you look at this, now we've got tay, tay, a, tay, a, tay, ta. Let's try that together. Ready, steady, here we go. Tay, tay, a, tay, a, tay, ta. We've talked about syncopation before, and if I play that rhythm again, but this time count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and it goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you might notice that all my clicks are now on the ands, not on the numbers, so they're actually halfway through the beat, so that's that syncopated thing we talked about last time. If you watch me again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So that's that rhythm. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play both of those. You'll see both of those things happening at the same time on the screen. Okay, so I'm going to start with this. Ready, steady, here I go.